again, and I'm your extraordinary girl, and welcome to Cheffy Food Taste. Cassava was one of the crops come from Latin America. Cassava is type din ng bibingka na merong young coconut or buko. Cassava meron din, sa bibingka meron din. So, it's a Filipino traditional. It's a baked cake. So, kung makikita nyo sa picture, yan yung mukha ng cassava. We call it in the Philippines kamoteng kahoy. Some provinces, they call it balinghoy. Sa amin, Ilonggo, balinghoy. This recipe is the best for business, also for occasion. I want to share with you this different version of mine. Filipino loves to eat sweet dessert because Filipino are love to eat sweet. Just relax and I'm gonna show you.
Here's our ingredients. 1 kilo of grated cassava, napigaan na yan. Huwag masyadong pigang-piga para may moist siya at may starch. Yung starch is very important. So we have 370 ml evaporated milk or fresh milk. 380 ml condensed milk. 2 large egg. So i-grated natin yung ating orange for our cassava and later mag-squeeze tayo ng juice nito. 1 teaspoon of grated orange, 50 grams of melted butter, and 1 cup coconut milk.
So, excited na ako. So, let's do it.
First, hahaluin na natin 1 kilogram of grated cassava. The next are egg. Just one at a time. Haluin lang natin siya para ma-mix siya ng maganda. Next are 1 cup of coconut milk. Just mixed it. Next our condensed milk. Unti-unti lang para ma-mix siya ng maayos. Ubusin natin. Then ang other evap or fresh milk. The next are melted butter. The next are grated orange.
Yan. About 8.5 yung wide niya, tapos yung length niya is 2 inches.
So, babrushan lang natin ng melted butter para hindi didikit yung ating cassava cake later. This is 2-inch length and 8.5 wide. Or you can use bigger than this, okay? So, lalagyan natin siya ng about 3 cups. Smooth and fine later para maganda yung ating cassava cake.
After we mix, so prepare na yung ating cassava cake na set ko na siya ng 175 degrees Celsius and na-preheat na siya ng 30 minutes. So, lagay na natin sa oven. So, iset natin yung timer for 45 to 60 minutes. So, habang naka-bake yung ating cassava cake, let's prepare toppings. Let's go!
So, first egg yolk, 1 at a time. And then we have 1/2 condensed milk. Just like that. So, this is my version, not too sweet. I-balance natin yung sweet niya. The next are evaporated cream or fresh milk. 1/2 coconut milk. 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Then let's set aside.
Oh, Time's up! So, time's up. Hahanguin na natin.
So, tapos na yung ating cassava cake for 50 minutes. Ilalagay natin yung toppings na. So, firm na firm. Kita mo? Tapos na yung 50 minutes natin. So, firm na yung ating cassava cake. So, second cassava cake. Lagay natin yung grated cheese. So, ilagay na natin for the second bake for our toppings. Let's bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. So, let's do it again. Same temperature, 175 degrees Celsius. So, ito na. Creamy. Titikman na natin yung cassava cake delight version ko to with the orange zest and orange juice. Hindi siya ganun katamis, tamang-tama, kasi nilagyan natin siya ng orange. So yun yung paraan para mabalance yung tamis ng ating cassava cake. Kasi parang fruity siya na cassava cake. Yung apoy natin nasa taas na, kasi bina-brown ko yung nasa taas para may crust. Mas maganda yung luto niya at yung kulay niya. Yun. Mas maganda yung may crust. Nilagyan ko siya ng crust. Medyo bin-round ko siya sa taas. Tingnan mo, iba yung kulay niya. So, kasi yung oven namin, meron po apoy yan sa baba at saka sa taas. So, sinet ko yung apoy dun sa taas. So, ito yung kinalabasan niya. Just good for 5 minutes. Same temperature, 175 degrees Celsius. This one, we have a crust. So, I love the version of this. Let's try to taste this one. Soft. Nag-caramelize sa taas. Mas masarap siya kaysa sa una. Kasi lumabas yung totoo niyang lasa. Yung orange natin, yung creaming ingredients natin, nag-match dun sa ating zest orange. Masarap yung combination niya. The crust, soft and creamy. Good for dessert. So this one I recommend for your family. So try this at home. I'm sure na magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. So thank you for watching, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo ngayon. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment below kung may gusto kayong i-suggest na mga recipe. Guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. Thank you.